This is a follow-up video. This is the spot in my dining room where I had the leak. And it's dried a whole lot. But the good news is it's been raining outside for, see, Thursday, Friday. Yeah, it's Friday night right now, but it started raining Thursday morning. And it's pretty much rained off and on. Some of the rain has been, like pour downs, rough. But most of it's been like a consistent, consistent drizzle. That part of the roof there, or not the roof, but the ceiling, it's kind of dipping down. Yeah, it did crack some, but what I'm going to do is I'm just going to let all this dry thoroughly. I'll be going up into the attic and I'll probably take a hair dryer, an extension cord and a hair dryer, and go up in the attic and kind of blow around with the hair dryer a little bit. Who knows? But I definitely got to fix it. And the ceiling work here, the ceiling's, the whatever you call this, I don't know what you call it, but the texture. So if I replace all this, I'd have to get it just right and get the texture right and the color right. So if I just do this corner, I'd have to go all the way around, all the way, and do the whole darn thing. Oh, that'd be a job. But, as long as I can keep the roof from leaking, then maybe it'd be worth it. But I think what I'm going to do is just let this dry thoroughly, and then something I've noticed is, you can see how that's kind of cut right there, that's got that short piece. I believe this roof has leaked here before, because on the outside it just seemed like a natural place to get a roof leak. I mean, really. So I believe that part has been replaced before. And I think this has been repaired before, but it's hard for me to really tell with the texture and everything the way it is. Whoever did it last time did a pretty good job. So that's my follow-up, and I appreciate you watching my videos. Later on, whenever I work on this to improve on it, it could be next month after I've got it nice and dry. I'll just do a whole new video on that. So this is my part 3 and conclusion, I guess you could say. All right, thanks for watching my video.